So in the previous video, we had declared the sortable directive, and we had started implementing it here in this function sortable. The directives can add JavaScript behavior to HTML attributes such as this or HTML elements and change their behavior and how it manipulates the DOM. So to do that, they can configure by returning an object. It can configure what function will be responsible for the manipulation of the DOM, and that is configured by returning an object that contains a link attribute, and then giving it the name of the function that actually implements the linking, right, of the DOM and the JavaScript, right. So here we're going to implement the linker function here, which what it does is it returns an object that represents the scope of the DOM, the actual element that this directive is tied to, and any attributes that are declared in addition in that element, right? So this linker here is where we can move our jQuery code. This is the proper place to put any jQuery, low-level manipulation or adding of behaviors. So originally it lived in the controller, right, by doing this t-body over here. So instead, the proper way to place this, right, is in here in the linker, right. Now t-body here was the actual DOM element that was being applied, right, that we wanted to sort, but by using the linker, we actually referred to it by the attribute that is being applied to the elements. So this element over here is the actual DOM element that is being passed in, that refers to the element that this directive is applied to. So we could use just elements right here instead of t-body and jQuery. This is the element, the t-body element that this is being applied to. So if we refresh this, right, notice that we have the same behavior we had earlier, where we can sort just like before, but not using the jQuery implementation in the controller, but instead using the directive, using the proper way of doing this, right? But we still have the issue that if this gets refreshed, right, none of this is remembered. So we still need to let the server know about the new state, and we'll do that in the next couple of videos.